Hi everyone, welcome back to SenthilSmartQAHub. In this section, we are going to learn three important string concepts in Python. First one, length function, second one, string indexing, and third one, string slicing. Now, let's start with the length function. Length function is a built-in Python function that used to find total number of characters present in a string. For example, let me create a variable name called name equal. I will assign the Python value to the name equal Python. Now, if you want to find the total number of characters present in this string, we can use length function. For example, here print, I'll write it here, total number of characters is, then I'll call the length function of name. Now let me run this. See, we got the output. Total number of characters is 6. So we called which function? We called the length function. So length function of name. What values name is holding? Python. Python, how many letters are present? 6 letters are present. So we got 6. Now let's see another example. Text equal Python space programming. Now notice that there is a space. Now I want to find total number of characters present in the string. So we use which function? Length function. Now there is a space between the Python and programming. Here the space also will be counted. So length function counts every characters present in a string, including letters, numbers, spaces, and special characters. Now let me call the length function print length of variable name. What is the variable name? Text. Then I'll close the print function. Now let me run it. See, we got 18. We got the total number of characters. So in the Python, length function will count every characters present in the string, including letters, numbers, spaces, and special characters. So here we have space. The space also will be counted. Now let's see another example. For example, here print of, here I'll call the length function. Inside the length function, I'm going to pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Although these are the numbers, they are enclosed with the double quotes, which means they treated as a string. So here each digit is counted as a character and output will be 5. Now let me run this. Total number of characters is here 5. So output is 5. Next one, we will find the empty string for length function. Print of length. Inside the length, I will give the empty string. Here I have given empty string. So empty string contains no character. So we will get output is 0. Say we got output is 0. That means empty string contains 0 characters. So we got output is 0. So now we have seen the length function. So what is the use of length function? Length function used to return the total number of characters present in the string. And length function will count including letters, numbers, spaces, and special characters. Next one, we are going to see string indexing. In the string indexing, Every characters in a Python has a unique position called index. Using the index number, we can access the individual characters from the string. Now let us understand with this example here. Now I have a string is Python, which contains how many letters? 6 letters. Now the Python provides two types of indexing. One is positive indexing and second one is negative indexing. Now let's look at the positive indexing. So here I have Python value. Total number of characters 6 characters. So the positive index always starts from 0 and moves from left to right. So 6 characters, so 0 to 5. P characters 0 index. Next one Y character first index, T character second index, H third index, O fourth index, N fifth index. Negative indexing starts from -1 and moves from right to left. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Now let's see the example for this. Now we'll write a code and run this. String indexing. So I will take the variable here language equal Python. Now let me access some characters from the Python. For example, here print variable name. What is the variable name? Language, a square bracket. Inside I will pass the index value. Now I'll pass the index value 0. Now let me run it. See, we got P. Now see here, the P is located at which index? 0th index. So when you pass 0 index, we will get what is the value? P. Suppose now I want to get this N. What is the index? 5. Now here I'll call print of language variable name square bracket of 5. Now let me run it. We'll get N. Now I want to access the T. T is located at which index? Second index. So here I'm going to call print of language square bracket. I will pass the second index. Now let me run it. See, we got T. So string indexing concept used to access the individual characters from the string using index value. Two types of indexing, positive indexing, negative indexing. Positive indexing starts from 0 and increase the value from left to right. And negative index value starts from -1 and decrease the value from right to left. Now we'll see the example for negative indexing. For example, here I want to access this last letter using negative indexing. So here print of language. What is the negative indexing of N? -1. See, we got N. Now using the negative indexing, I want to fetch this O. So here print of language square bracket -2 and close the square bracket, close the print function. Now let me run it. See, we got O. For negative index, N is -1, O is -2, H is -3, T is -4 and Y is -5 and P is -6. Next, third one, string slicing. String slicing used to extract the portion of a string. See here, the string indexing used to get the individual characters from the string. This used to get the portion of the string. which means it will return the multiple characters from the string. String indexing will return the single characters, and string slicing will return the multiple characters from the string. This is the syntax for string slicing. String square bracket of, we have three arguments. Three arguments are separated by colon here. First argument is starting index, and second argument is stop ending index, and third argument is step. We will mention the number of position to move. In the step, if you don't specify, it will take the default value is 1. Now let's understand the example here. The Python is a string value. Already we have seen the positive indexing starts from 0 and it will increase the values from left to right. Negative indexing value starts from -1 and it will decrease the value from right to left. For example, here this Python, I am storing it in the language variable. So I am calling here language square bracket of 0:4. So 0:4 means what is the output we are fetching it from the Python pyth, correct? Because here language of 0:4. So index value starts from 0. What index here? Starting index. So in the Python, 0 is a starting index and 4 is a ending index. So here ending index always it is excluded. It will get before the fourth index. So we will get 0 to 3. 0 to 3, what is the characters? PYTH will get. See here second example here, language of 2:6 means second index to fifth index only, THNO. See, suppose here if you don't give the starting index, by default it will take from 0. So it will start from 0 to, and before the fourth index, what is the before fourth index? 3. 0 to 3 will get output. See here fourth example here, we are mentioning only starting index. We didn't mention the ending index. So it will get starting index to ending index. So it will get the starting index to till the end of the index. So starting from the second index to till the end of the index, we'll get this output THON. See the fifth example here. See here we didn't mention the starting index and ending index. Just we mentioned the colon. So it will take entire string. Next one, see here, language of double colon 2. See here in the syntax, we didn't mention the starting index, so it will take from 0. And we didn't mention the ending index, so it will take till end of the characters. And we mentioned the step. Step, it will increase to 2 characters. The starting index 0, so first P will be printed. From 0 index 2, it will move to 2 steps. So 0, 1, so T will be printed. Then 2 to 4, O will be printed. Next one, seventh one. This example is a wrong one. We will write it here. String slicing. So here I will call print of, what is the variable name? Variable name is language square bracket. So here I'm not going to give the starting index and ending index. I'll give only step -1. So step -1 indicates the negative indexing. So negative indexing starts from -1 and decrease the value from right to left. -1, -2, -3, like that the value will be decreased. See, we got -1 N, -2 O, -3 H, -4 T, -5 Y, -6 P. Next one, print of language. Language starts from -4 and ending index -1. Now what's the output? Which one is here? -4 starts from -4 to ending index -1. ending index always excluded, so we'll get up to -2. So here -4 to -2. THO. So here the same example here, language of -4 colon -1. -4 index value is T, then -1. -1 is excluded, so we'll get up to -2. So we'll get THO.